I will teach you 6 powerful lessons that gave me a lot of pain and damage. I learned it the hard way. Number 1. Tell no one about your plan. Level up in private. Number 2. If you want to be happy, always have 0 expectations of others. Number 3. Take care of your body. Remember, health is another form of wealth. Number 4. You will not be young forever. Do what makes you happy every day. Number 5. Normalize working some paths alone, because goals are personal. Number 6. Don't waste your energy on fear. Use your energy to believe, learn, create, and grow.